if I look back at my program as a whole, the most important thing, the most valuable thing to me was it wasn't a walk in the park. And I loved going in and being challenged. And I was one to give some challenge sometimes too in the program. And I'm thinking in particular about working with Dr. Howard. I had many great professors, but I remember particularly working with her in a class where we talked about brain-based education. And it was a new concept at the time, but I remember being a bit of a skeptic in the class that there could be this direct connection made between neuroscience and the way that we teach in the classroom. I just felt like it was this huge leap and that it looked like another bandwagon program that would be easy to jump onto. So I remember being a little hesitant to express that view because it didn't really fall into where the rest of my classmates were thinking as far as that goes. And I appreciated the interaction with Dr. Howard because she allowed me to be the skeptic, but she posed questions that really made me go back to the articles I was planning to read or was reading at the time, or the textbook we were using, or work with the students that I'd had in the past. So I felt like I had the freedom to challenge or even disagree with where my professor was coming from or where the research was pointing us. And I like that. I like that it wasn't necessarily a gift. You know, the program wasn't just handed to me because I paid my tuition. I felt like I had to work and prepare and defend and really come to class prepared to explain a little bit more about where I was coming from and why I felt the way that I felt. And when I left, I really felt like I had earned a degree, you know, that it wasn't just handed over. So the interaction with faculty, the interaction with the colleagues in the class were really the most memorable parts of my program.